How much did you have to drink tonight?
I'm not drunk. I'm so not.
Okay.
A teacher. I'm at school. I'm at the freaking high school. Please.
What are you doing? You almost ran into our car. We got kids up here. What are you doing? Put the car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put it in park. Put it in park.
Put the car in park.
What are you not understanding simple instructions?
I know. Oh my God.
You almost ran into us.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
The sudden appearance of the speeding vehicle adds another layer of danger to the situation. It's a reminder of the unpredictable nature of law enforcement encounters and the need for officers to stay alert at all times.
Unlock the car.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Hey, I don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it.
What do you mean? I don't.
Get your driver license, your proof of insurance, and your registration. Driver license, proof of insurance, and registration.
Tell her to put this window down.
Put the window down, ma'am. Put the window down.
I am.
Okay, and get the stuff I'm requesting.
I am.
Why is the window not down? Put your window down.
Where are you coming from?
Oh my God.
Who's what? Shut your car off. Turn your car off. I'm not going to ask you again. If I have to tell you again, you're going to get out of the car.
Oh my God.
Where are you coming from?
Oh my God. I'm at my friend's house. He's like.
Do you see how close you are to this
Yes,
police car?
I do.
Do you know how fast you were going? I had to pull those 3 kids off the hood of that car because you were so close to rear-ending the car. It's nighttime, it's dark, and there's a bunch of blue, red, and white flashing lights, and you got this close to a police car going the speed you were going?
Despite the close call with the speeding vehicle, the deputies maintain control of the situation and prioritize the safety of everyone involved. Their assertiveness in instructing the driver to stop reflects their training and experience in handling such incidents.
Have you been drinking?
I'm telling you. You were at my friend's house? Okay. It doesn't matter.
Give that deputy the information.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Driver license, proof of insurance, and the registration. You still haven't given me those items yet.
My license.
Ma'am, you know you were speeding. I thought
I
ma'am,
didn't. I'm like.
Ma'am, so you're saying that I am?
No,
I didn't see you speeding. That's what you're telling me. You almost ran into the car.
I'm not.
The deputies' persistence in ensuring compliance from the driver is evident, emphasizing the importance of clear communication and firm yet professional enforcement of the law. Maintaining authority in high-pressure situations is essential for law enforcement officers.
Have you had anything to drink tonight? So, ma'am, what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle.
Oh my God.
Here, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the car, ma'am, and I'm gonna talk to you outside of the car. You're gonna come to the front hood of your car. You're not responding. Come to the back. Come to the back of your car. You're not responding. I don't want you to get hit by a car. That's why I'm gonna have you come over here. Step around that way. Come to the front of your car. Ma'am, come to the front of your car. You're not, it's like you're not getting nothing I'm telling you. Hey, here, lean up against your car right here. How much did you have to drink tonight?
The driver's initial reluctance to comply with the deputies' requests raises concerns about their level of impairment or understanding of the situation. Effective communication and cooperation are essential to resolve the encounter peacefully.
I was at a dinner party at my friend's house. 2 drinks of vodka.
Okay, how long ago was that?
Oh my God. No, 2 hours. Like, you can go. Like, you can call them.
Ma'am, I'm talking to you right now. Not worried about your friends. I'm asking you a simple question. All right, Yankee. We're dealing with.
I'm not drunk. I'm so not.
Okay, so.
Oh God, my kid. Oh my God.
As of now, all right, Yankee. All of us.
Despite the deputies' efforts to gain cooperation, the driver's behavior becomes increasingly erratic, indicating potential intoxication or confusion. This highlights the challenges officers face in dealing with non-compliant individuals.
So.
I swear to God.
How many did you have?
No, I swear to God, I've had 2 drinks.
Ma'am, son.
I'm not. I know.
Ma'am,
I know. He was at the house.
Okay. So, 2 hours ago. Okay. Ma'am, talk to me. Don't worry about what's behind us.
No, I do worry about.
I wasn't worried about when you got behind the wheel of a car
Really?
and operated it.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
So, ma'am, right now,
Stop.
Right now, based off of my observations of the way you're driving and almost rear-ending my car.
I didn't rear into your car.
Almost.
I'm way up behind
Okay,
you.
okay, ma'am. You
Stop.
were speeding and
Stop.
Okay,
Please.
I'm going to continue what I'm saying. Based off of what you're, ma'am, right here. We got.
Who's yelling?
They don't have their parents, who disobey, who can't follow rules, and see if that's where you want to be the whole rest of your life and your future. So no, I should let him take you for the night and stay there for a night or two and see how you like it.
Who's yelling? Who's this person?
Stop. Worry about yourself. It's got nothing to do with you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm not drunk. Please let me go home. I'm a teacher. I'm at school. I'm at the freaking high school. Please. I'm not a mess. Oh my God.
All right, I'll tell you what we got so far.
Please.
Between me and his car, we have a ton of debris in the road, right? We had the kids clean it up. Why we have the kids in my car here? Because they cleaned it from Masood's car back. Masood got up to him.
As the encounter progresses, it becomes clear that the driver's actions pose a significant risk to themselves and others on the road. The deputy's handling of the situation underscores the importance of maintaining control and enforcing the law to prevent potential harm.
This car was coming at a high rate of speed, and I promise you, I barely saw it, and Masood was like, hey, this car about to hit us. And we stopped the car. She's not retaining anything we're telling her. She's not getting the information we needed, and she appears to be impaired. She's all over the place. She started screaming and stuff, so that's why we got another person.
I just want to go home.
Ma'am, I'm going to continue what I was asking.
I just want to go home.
Ma'am, can you focus for a second? Just for a second.
I have no focus problem.
Okay.
Go.
You had
Go.
2 drinks of vodka, correct?
Go.
I'm talking to you now. You had 2 drinks of vodka, mixed drink, correct?
Yeah.
The officer's assessment of the driver's condition and the events leading up to the stop provides crucial context for understanding the gravity of the situation.
2 hours ago, is what you were saying?
I don't know. It was a party.
Okay, you don't know.
It was a party over in the.
I'm listening to you. Is that all? Okay. So
Just let me go home.
So after you had drinks, you got it behind your wheel of the car.
Please.
Ma'am, I'm actually
Let me go home. I'm a teacher. I work at the high school. Let me go home.
All right, ma'am. Right now, I don't believe that you have the capability of driving a motor vehicle on the roadway.
Oh my God.
Despite the driver's insistence that they are not intoxicated, their behavior and responses suggest otherwise. This emphasizes the importance of officers' training in recognizing signs of impairment.
Would you like to perform some exercises?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay, so
I got nothing to prove for you.
All right, so I'm gonna let you know right now. If you deny doing these exercises, you could be placed under arrest and they can go get you criminally.
I know.
So I'm letting you know if you refuse to do the exercise, you can be placed. All right, ma'am. When you're done talking, I'll talk. Ma'am, when you're done talking, I'll talk for you.
Let me go home.
We're past that.
Yeah, we're really past that.
Oh my God.
The officer's handling of the situation exemplifies professionalism and restraint in the face of challenging circumstances. Maintaining composure and following protocol are essential in ensuring the safety of both the officer and the driver.
Ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to encourage that you do the exercises to either disprove or prove that you are intoxicated or not.
I am not intoxicated.
Okay. Do you want to do the exercises or not?
What? What do you want me to do?
You're going to perform some exercises.
Oh my God.
If you don't want to do it, that's fine. I'm going to force you to do it.
God, I'm not. Oh my God.
Okay, do me a favor. Turn
Oh
around.
my God.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Put your hands
No.
behind-
No. Oh my God. Stop. You don't have to do this.
Now you just got resistance.
Oh my God.
All right,
Please,
do me a
you guys
favor.
don't.
You're going to come over to my car. I don't want to have to drag you. I'm actually nice. Can you walk over here? I don't want to do that. You walk over here?
Yes, of
Okay,
course I
let's
can.
walk. Let's walk. Here, have a seat. Have a seat in the back seat of my car. Have a seat in the back seat of my car. Have a seat, ma'am. Ma'am, please do this. I don't want to force you in the back seat of the car. Can you have a seat? Watch your head. I'll talk to you across the street. There's a lot going on right now. Come across the street. We're on mute for an administrative conversation. Thank God that I was talking to the kids, thank God for Susan. Because I promise you, bro, if she wouldn't got off that gas pedal, I was going to get mowed down and
I grabbed 2 of them. I grabbed 2 of them and
pulled them out of the way.
So you had to pull kids out of the way?
I thought she was gonna run right through the car. I grabbed two of the kids. And
Any evidence of alcohol inside the car?
I didn't get that far. We're trying to split up here.
As the situation concludes, it serves as a reminder of the complexities and challenges faced by law enforcement officers in their daily duties. Effective communication, empathy, and professionalism are essential in navigating such encounters.
Yeah, she reeks of alcohol.
I just literally peeked my head and it just hit me like a ton of bricks.
And she decided to
I can't
resist.
smell, bro.
Dude, like, yeah, I just reached in to look at her and I could just.
God, please talk to me.
Why are you screaming?
I
won't talk to you until you calm down.
Please talk to me.
Act like an adult for 2
Act like a
seconds.
toll for 2 seconds.
So far, I'm going to charge her with resisting. I tried to put her in handcuffs, and she snatched away from me.
Oh, bet.
And
With everything.
oh yeah, and I'm gonna hit her with DUI. She refused to do road signs.
This encounter underscores the importance of comprehensive training for law enforcement officers in handling situations involving potential intoxication and resistance. It's crucial for officers to adapt their approach based on the circumstances while prioritizing the safety of all parties involved. What do you think? Do you think the police action was okay, or do you think the suspect acted above the law? Leave a like and comments behind. Stay tuned for more videos.